In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up deposits on Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your booking process or a freelancer aiming to secure your appointments better, setting up deposits can be a game changer. It helps reduce no-shows and ensures a commitment from your clients. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the payment settings. You can find this option in the left-hand menu of your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your payment preferences and ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, it's time to connect your payment account. Acuity Scheduling gives you the flexibility to choose between Stripe, Square, or PayPal. While all are excellent options, Stripe is often preferred for its seamless integration and efficient handling of partial payments. If you haven't already set up your account with one of these services, you'll need to do so. Follow the prompts to link your account securely. Once your payment method is set up, look for the option labeled Payment at Booking. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Here you will decide how you want to collect payments from your clients. You have the choice to either collect deposits or request full payment upfront. For the purpose of setting up deposits, select the Collect Deposits option. This feature allows you to secure a portion of the payment while still giving your clients flexibility. Now, let's discuss the options available for collecting deposits. You'll have two main choices, percentage or fixed amount. If you choose the percentage option, you can set a specific percentage of the total service costs as the deposit. For instance, a common choice might be 25% of the service fee. This option is particularly useful if your services vary in price as it scales with the total cost. Alternatively, you can select the fixed amount option. This allows you to set a flat fee as the deposit, regardless of the service's total cost. An example of this might be a flat fee of $500. This can be a straightforward choice if you prefer to keep things simple and uniform across your services. Once you've decided on the type of deposit that works best for your business, don't forget to save your settings. This last but crucial step ensures that all your preferences are applied when clients book your services. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up deposits on Acuity Scheduling. By implementing deposits, you're not only securing a financial commitment from your clients, but also enhancing the overall professionalism of your booking process. Remember that you can always revisit the payment settings if you need to make adjustments as your business grows or your preferences change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy scheduling!